Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Wish you all a happy and a blessed New Year 2021. I'm very sure you guys might be excited about the new year because many of us have already faced lots of ups and downs in the previous year 2020 that we definitely want this year to be a beautiful and a blessed one. So I came across a beautiful challenge on Pinterest called 30 Days New Year New You Challenge. So basically, this is a challenge to create positivity around you, and I really found this interesting. This challenge and the template was created by a particular app called Fabulous. If in case you want to know more about that app, then please do go ahead and download from the App Store or from the Play Store. Link is also mentioned in the description box. So basically, this is a 30 days challenge. You'll have to take up this challenge for the entire month. And I started this challenge prior just because I wanted to show it to you guys, like how to take up this challenge, what happened with me, how I completed this challenge, how it brought changes in my life basically, and how my life got surrounded with positivity is what I want to let you guys know. So I started this task a bit earlier, but this video is going to come in two parts, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 may I'll be showing you the 15 challenges, and in part 2 I'll be showing you the remaining 15 challenges. Because if I combine, the video will go lengthy. I don't want that to happen, and I don't want to bore you guys as well. So please do watch both the parts of this challenge. And the interesting thing is that you can take this challenge up and tag your friends on Instagram or on FB. You can also tag your friends in WhatsApp groups, and just create it like a fun filled challenge. If in case you're doing so, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram as well. And if in case you have not followed my Instagram account, do go and follow Secret Indian Mama. See, I'm shooting in terrace, starting this challenge with a beautiful positivity around me, a positive energy around me. You can take this challenge right from today, or else you can at least take this in the first quarter of the year, probably before March ends. So that's it. Let's get into the video and start the challenges. The first task for this particular challenge is that I have to list out all the goals for this year. Basically, I'm very clear about the goals which I want to achieve for the year 2021. But if I were in Bangalore, then definitely I would have listed out all the goals which I wanted to achieve in my magnetic planner, which I have stuck on the fridge. Basically, I have two planners, but just because right now I'm in Tamil Nadu, I'm loitering here and there, like from my mom's home to my in-laws home, and vice versa. I don't feel it necessary to write down my goals on the magnetic planner. But yeah, I'm going to list down the goals which I have for this year in my planner notebook. As I told you, like, I got a very simple planner, so this is the book in which I'm going to write down. So task number 2 is that I have to list out the things which I'm grateful for. I have already done this in my past, so it's not a big challenge for me. But yeah, I really love to love to list out like what I'm grateful for, because it is a kind of reminder to ourselves that how much we are blessed with. So guys, today's task is that I have to make an extra effort to smile more. I personally believe and I personally feel that recollecting old memories will definitely bring a very good smile on your face. I mean, more smile on your face. So I just happened to open my laptop today, and I'm just going through all my old photos. This was the first watch which my husband got for me. Okay, this is the panda which he gave me before wedding. Okay, I forgot to show this picture. This is my bidai pic. I was bidding bye to everyone. Hey guys, it's the next day and I'm here with a new task. So for today's challenge, I'll have to do meditation before going to bed. See, there are different kinds of meditation. There are people who follow various or different kind of meditation process. Some simply close eyes and meditate, some do yoga, some do exercise, or some do recite as per their beliefs. But what I do is I always do dhikr before going to bed. The next challenge here is to think about the positives. So whenever I watch YouTube channels, especially Ibrahim family's channels, there are 3 channels. So yeah, whenever I watch any video from their channels, I feel so positive. They spread a lot of positivity through their vlogs and messages. I really love it. If you guys don't follow the channels, do go and watch. You will never regret it. So guys, today's challenge is that I have to celebrate how far I have come. So definitely here I can talk only about my YouTube journey. I feel so blessed to see my growth and my channel's growth from past 20 months. It's been huge. So there are certain milestones and certain targets set by YouTube. I'm very proud and happy to say that I have achieved those targets, and I'm really happy. So to celebrate that, we ordered a cake from Cake Park and we're just having the cake casually. So guys, today's task is very simple. I have to message someone special. There are many special people in my life, so yeah, I'm just showing a glimpse of their chat. Today's challenge is also a easy one for me, and it is that I have to get sleep for 7 to 8 hours, which is very easy. I usually get 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. So yeah, this challenge is also done. The next challenge for me is to spend time with someone whom I love. So apart from family, friends also plays an important role. So we had a very good time at mall with each other. The next challenge is to remove negativity from life. So definitely boomerang is a very good thing to remove negativity. So today's challenge is to admire and see the beauty around me. So we have come to Marina Beach and I'm super amazed to see the beautiful things around. If we just look at the past year and the things right now, everything has changed. So I'm just admiring the beauty. The next challenge is my personal favorite, guys, to watch sunset. These days I don't get enough time to watch sunset, but this is something which I love to do. I can even sit for hours and watch sunset. So this challenge was really amazing and favorite of mine. So today's challenge is to say 3 nice things about yourself. Here I decided to ask my husband to say 3 nice things about me, because if I have to tell, I can just tell for long. It will not look real. So I requested him to say 3 nice things for me, and he did so.
Well, a good thing about you is dedication. So I've seen your dedication whenever there is content, like you are sacrificing your sleep just for editing purpose. So that is number one. And number two is like active listening. So when I say something, some kind of feedback or something, like you are showing interest in listening and rectifying things. So that is number two. And last but not least, third one is supportive. Supportive character is much essential, in daily life. So I think whenever there is whenever I seek your support, I think you are always there to support.
The next challenge is like very funny for me. Forgive someone. So I easily forgive people, and so yeah, I'm just adding some small clip of my boy asking sorry. Next challenge is to commit yourself to a better person. I seriously believe in these quotes: speak a good word or remain silent. So I think everyone should adapt to this and follow this, because only then your life will be good and you will be a better person as well. Part 1 video of 15 challenges comes to an end, so stay tuned to watch the remaining 15 challenges in part 2 video. See you soon.